Welcome to Think Global Education Services. In this video, we are going to talk about acid-base titrations. Acid-base titration is a method to determine the strength of unknown solution using a standard solution. As we know, standard solution is a one whose concentration is known to us. We should learn how to determine the strength of an unknown solution by solving the below given problem. In this problem, we have a reaction between a base, which is sodium bicarbonate, and an acid, a sulfuric acid, which is a neutralization reaction producing a salt of sodium sulfate, water, with the liberation of carbon dioxide. In this reaction, we know the volume of the base used, which is 25 centimeter cube, and the concentration or the strength of sodium hydrogen carbonate. And hence, sodium bicarbonate behaves as a standard solution. Since in this reaction, we do not know the concentration of the acid, which is sulfuric acid, will be considered as an unknown solution. The first step to determine the strength of unknown solution is to calculate the number of moles of the standard solution by using the equation N is equal to CE. So number of moles of sodium bicarbonate reacted in this reaction can be found out by multiplying its concentration into the volume of the base required for the reaction. Which will be equal to So now we have to look into the mole ratio of the acid and the base in the reaction mixture. That is, 2 moles of sodium bicarbonate reacts with 1 mole of sulfuric acid. Therefore, number of moles of sulfuric acid will be equal to 2.5 into 10 to the power of minus 3 moles of sodium bicarbonate divided by 2, which will be equal to 1.25 into 10 to the power of minus 3 moles. Once we obtain the number of moles of an acid used, we can determine its concentration by using the formula C is equal to N by V. We have the number of moles of an acid used, which is 1.25 into the power of minus 3 moles, and the volume of the acid required for the neutralization, which is given 15.20 divided by 1000 dm cube, which will be equal to 0.0822 mole per dm cube, which is the strength of the acid which is used for the neutralization of an sodium bicarbonate. By this method, we can determine the concentration of any unknown solution by means of an acid-base titration. Thank you for watching.